one clogged. Here, and here is some. So if you have a finger like mine, you can go over here from inside, push it down, and just pull the plastic away. Okay, like this. And the last one. Oh yeah, okay. Not over here. Over here we have the smallest, and we need to clean this from the dirty, and we will see. So this one is clogged. Okay, I don't think. So I take the toothpick and clean this hole from this side and from inside. We're going. Okay, let's blow in this hole. Okay, so we have good flow from this and this hole. Let's assemble back. It's like this. Push over here. One. Okay. Again. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then forward. From the front. The screw number 1. And the screw number 2. Don't run away from me. Please, we need to assemble this. Okay, so right now we have our vacuum robot that will be cleaned our house, and we will have the flow from this side and from this side. So if you have Ilife vacuum robot, so if you have the same issue, you can just reassemble this and clean this nozzle and this nozzle, and you will receive a brand new container that will help you to clean your apartment.